Hello guys, welcome back to my new channel. So today we are studying on chapter 15th of science, fun with magnets. In previous chapters we seen about science chapters, and now we can looking about chapter 15th of fun with magnets. Question number 1, how will you do this? A. Determine whether a material is magnetic or non-magnetic. Answer is, if a material sticks to a magnet, then it is a magnet material, otherwise it is a non-magnet material. B. Explain that a magnet has a certain magnetic field. Answer, a magnet has a certain magnetic field which can be demonstrated using the below activity. Taking a drawing cardboard and sprinkle some iron fillings on it. Notice the position of the iron fillings as a whole. Now take a bar magnet and slowly bring it below the cardboard. You will observe that the iron fillings tend to attract towards the magnet and align themselves as shown. Here is given the diagram of that answer. The full form of MN is north and the full form of S is south. It represents that the magnet exerts a force around its body with a stronger force near the two poles. Also, this regular pattern of the iron filling on the board represents the line of magnetic field. Thus, a magnet has a certain magnetic field which can be represented by curved lines around a magnet. Number C. Find the north poles of a magnet. Answer, tie a thread to the center of the magnet and hang it from a stand as shown. Wait till the magnet settles itself. Here is given the diagram of the magnet and the directions are east, west, south and north. The pole that point towards the geographic north is the north pole of the magnet. North is the north pole of the magnet. Question number 2. Which magnet will you use? A. Question A. Iron is to be separated from trash. Answer is, electromagnet can be used to separate iron from trash. B. You are lost in forest. Answer, bar magnet or lodestone can be used to find the direction in the forest. This is because a bar magnet, when suspended freely, always rests in north-south direction. C. A window shutter opens and shuts continuously in the vine. Answer, permanent magnet can be used to stop the continuous shuttering of the window in the vine. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate words. A. If a bar magnet is hung by a thread tied at its center, its north pole becomes steady in the direction of the north pole of the earth. Answer is the north. B. If a bar magnet is cut into equal pieces by the cutting it at right angles to its axis at the two places, 3 bar magnets are formed at a total of 6 poles are formed. In this question there are two answers. It is 3 and 6. C number. There is a repulsion between the like poles of a magnet and attraction between its opposite poles. Answer is like and opposite. D. When magnetic material is taken close to a magnet, the material acquires induced magnetism. Answer is induced magnetism. E. If a magnet attracts a piece of a metal, that piece must be made of magnetic material or iron. Answer is magnetic material or iron. F. A magnet remains steady in a north-south direction. Answer is north-south. Question number 4. Write the answers in your word. A. How is the electromagnet made? Answer. For the construction of an electromagnet, we require an iron nail, a long insulated copper wire, a battery, and a switch. The long insulated copper wire is the first wound on the iron nail. Then the two free ends of the wire is connected to the battery and the switch as shown. Now when the switch is turned on, current flows through the circuit due to the flow of current. The insulated copper wire and iron nails acts as an electromagnet. Now if iron pins are brought close to this setup, they stick to the iron nail. As soon as the current stops flowing in the circuit, the iron nail loses magnetism and the pin falls off. Here is given the diagram of that answer. B. Write the properties of a magnet. Answer. Properties of a magnet are following. A magnet has two poles known as North Pole and South Pole. A magnet when suspended freely always rests in north-south direction. A magnet has an attractive properties, i.e., it always attracts magnetic materials toward it. Like poles of magnets repel each other, whereas unlike poles attract each other. The two poles of a magnet are inseparable. It means that when a magnet is cut into two parts, two independent magnets are formed. Magnetic force of a magnet is concentrated into two poles. Number C. What are the practical uses of the magnet? Magnets have very wide range of uses. Magnetic compass. With the help of magnetic compass, you can know that directions at a particular place. The red end of the needle indicates the north direction. Magnet in daily life. Magnets are used in refrigerator doors, as pin holders in screwdrivers, etc. Magnet in junkyard. Answer. In the junkyard, you will see that a large magnet is attached on the bottom of the arm of a crane. The arm moves over a heap of junk and the magnet collects objects made of iron. The magnet used in a junkyard crane is not a natural or a permanent magnet. It is a temporary magnet which is called an electromagnet. Magnet in electric appliance. Answer. Magnets are also used in many electrical appliances such as electric bells, telephones, telegraph, radio, loudspeakers, fans, electric motors, electric generators, etc. Magnets for security. Answer. While going to some important places like temples, buildings, airport, etc., you will see equipments for inspection of people entering these places. These equipments uses magnets and are known as metal detectors. These metal detectors, also known as in food processing industry, to detect any unwanted iron, steel objects mix unknowing in food stuff. Our question answers was done of 15th lesson, fun with magnets. So thank you for seeing this video and please subscribe to this video.